Good morning. There'll be no Monday blues today because we're still at Disney and we're off to Hollywood Studios again today. We were just there last night, but we're going to give it a go in the morning this time. And it's a little bit drier this morning, thankfully. Let's hope it stays that way. See you at Hollywood Studios. A wet morning at Hollywood Studios. Let's see how we get on. We just done Mickey and Minnie's and we are off to Toy Story Land now. We made it onto Toy Story Mania. Let's see how many points we'll get on this ride. Sitting by myself, let's see what we get. 182,000. Had another ride on Toy Story Mania. I think we're going to go back to Swirling Saucers again. You like sit in a little cart and you get like swung about, yeah? It doesn't go that fast. It's quite jerky, this one though.
If you see Woody, tell him I need new batteries.
We're leaving Toy Story Land for now. We're going to go down to Tower of Terror on Sunset Boulevard. It's just posting a 13-minute wait at the moment. So yeah, first time this year on Tower of Terror. Heading down Sunset Boulevard. Tower of Terror in the distance. Still says a 13-minute wait for Tower of Terror. Here we go.
The key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. Things and ideas you just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right. A beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story on the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone. Send into
I love it so much.
episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Come on.
Never again. Never again. I hate you. I hate you.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
What an amazing that ride is on Tower of Terror. This heart in the mouth stuff is so good. Just taking a little look at Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. This actually closes today. This is the final day of this run. It's going to be replaced by a new villain show in this building here. So this is all going very soon. Just going to go for a little bit of a walk just down Sunset Boulevard. Just came off of Tower of Terror and we're going to go to the Beauty and the Beast show. It's not till 11 o'clock, so we've got about half an hour to kill before then. Might actually have to buy another poncho because I've ripped my one. The poncho I've had for 9 years. Yeah, see you at Beauty and the Beast. Here we are, Theatre of the Stars. Going to see Beauty and the Beast at 11 o'clock.
I'm especially good at vectoring.
She could have dreamt, for through a series of strange circumstances, she found herself held captive inside a dark and foreboding castle, inhabited by a very odd collection of characters.
Master will be furious if he finds out what we're up to.
Well, we don't have to tell him, do we?
There is nothing to worry about.
No, nothing. Just our entire future.
Pish posh. Hello there. Be our guest for dinner.
Keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom. I'm not Chip here.
Oh dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple.
To relax, pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Came back. I couldn't let them do this to you. It's all my fault.
fancy a funnel cake, but we're just about to go and see Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular. So we're just over at Epic Eats. I think we're just going to get some ice cream first, and then maybe come back for a strawberry funnel cake. Indiana Jones is just here. It starts at 12, and it's just gone about 11:45 now. And I've got the poncho off. It stopped raining. Now I did have an ice cream, but as you can see I've dropped half of it on the ground, so that wasn't a very successful buy. But now we're going to see Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular.
Not me.
You all miss a day?
Come on, Mary. Come on, Michelle, get out of that truck. Get out of there, Michelle. Where's he? Michelle!
Yeah! He's gonna nail that one!
I think we'll have to go back and see Indiana Jones. They cut out half of the show there because of the inclement weather. So they missed out on the helicopter scene, and they also missed out on a lot of the acrobats and up and down the buildings. But now I think we're going to go to Galaxy's Edge and maybe get a run to wrap. Made it to Ronto Roasters, about to get a Ronto wrap here in Batu at Galaxy's Edge. Falcon. Just had lunch at Ronto Roasters, and now we are going to Frozen Ever After. It starts at 1:30. We've been here for 5 hours so far. Let's go.
When we're united!
Just Eric.
Wait, just Eric?
Just Eric!
Okay, well then let's hear it for just Eric. Come on!
Just Eric, and what better way to celebrate Arendelle than for the royal historians to share the story of our kingdom and our queen, who just happens to be my sister, Queen Elsa!
Yeah! I've been waiting for this moment for so long.
Where is Queen Elsa?
Where is she?
Oh, I don't know. Have any of you seen my sister? No? Well, she's about so tall, blonde, kind of keeps to herself. Oh, and she does have these weird, icy snow powers, like, Thank you. That's a no, huh?
No.
Oh, I know. Hey, Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, that never really works.
No.
Oh, no. Well, what are we going to do? It's almost time
Anna?
for the festival and Elsa's missing.
Anna?
Everyone's already here.
There's a lot of people.
This is almost as bad as that blizzard. Well, almost.
Anna?
Yes,
Hi.
hello.
You know what? Don't even worry. We got this. Okay, you go find your sister, and we'll share the history of Arendelle.
It's Coronation Day.
It's Coronation Day. It's Coronation Day. The window is open, so's that door. I'm in forever. There'll be music, there'll be love.
But you're jealous because he's dreamy.
I think you mispronounced creepy.
I did not. The dude is dreamy, am I right? Ooh, he's right behind me, and look at that, he's a mouth breather. Uh-oh, he's breathing in.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, I'm going in. Ooh, does that make me a snack? Hello. Hello. Who's got the Riz? This girl right here.
I find him to be sus.
No cap?
No cap. He's a skippity toilet. Look, Ma. No Hans. Anyway.
That is so Ohio.
All right.
Okay. Come on, you can do better than that. Call the police.
What?
Because somebody just stole my heart.
Right.
What? Rip. Goo-goo, goo-goo. That's for you.
Thanks. You have that. Olaf to the rescue again!
Is that right?
Olaf slaps Hans and kisses on. That's fucking snowman is the actor true love that can talk rose and heart. Everyone lived happily ever after because some people are worth melting for. The end!
I'm so happy you're here. The royal historians of Arendelle have been sharing our story.
Thank you. That was a very good story you told. Though the ending felt strange.
Thank you.
Well, Olaf did help out a lot.
Anna, you saved our entire kingdom. It was you who saved your sister and yourself.
We're heading out of Hollywood Studios now for today. I think it's just gone 2 p.m. We've been here for quite a while. Yeah. So we're going to head to Wilderness Lodge, not Lodge next, I think. We stayed there back in 2015 for 14 nights. But had a really good day at Hollywood Studios. We did lots of rides and we did 3 of the shows as well. So now, hopefully the storm will stop. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye!